Imagine trying to cut a block of solid titanium. If you use a saw, a drill, or a milling cutter, you face a constant, aggressive battle against friction. The cutting tool wears down, the metal heats up, and the immense physical stress can actually warp and distort the final part. Now, imagine cutting that same block of titanium with a simple strand of wire, thinner than a human hair. And the most mind-bending part, the wire never actually touches the metal.
Before we start the video, if this content helps you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support really motivates us.
Welcome to the world of Wire Cut Electrical Discharge Machining, or EDM. To understand how this is even possible, we have to look at one of nature's most powerful forces: lightning. When a lightning bolt strikes the ground, the intense heat actually vaporizes a small amount of the earth. Wire Cut EDM uses this exact same principle, but on a microscopic scale, carefully controlled hundreds of thousands of times every single second. The process begins with a spool of wire, typically made of brass or molybdenum. This wire is fed continuously through the machine. The workpiece, whether it is hardened tool steel, tungsten carbide, or an aerospace-grade alloy, is submerged in a bath of specially treated water, known as dielectric fluid. Here is where the magic happens. A powerful electrical current is pulsed through the wire. As the wire approaches the metal, the electrical field becomes so intense that it breaks down the insulating properties of the water. A microscopic channel of plasma forms, and a spark jumps across the gap. This spark generates temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun, vaporizing a tiny microscopic crater into the metal. Before the wire itself can melt, the electrical pulse turns off, and the rushing water instantly flushes away the vaporized debris. Because the wire never physically touches the workpiece, there is zero friction, zero mechanical stress, and absolutely no cutting force. This means we can slice through the hardest conductive metals known to humanity with extreme precision, often holding tolerances of less than 2 microns. To put that into perspective, that is just a fraction of the width of a human red blood cell. While these industrial-grade machines can easily require an investment of upwards of $20,000 to $30,000, their ability to cut complex geometries without expensive tool wear makes them incredibly cost-effective in the long run. And this technology isn't just for cutting straight lines. Guided by multi-axis CNC controls, the wire can tilt and pivot, carving out complex, three-dimensional shapes, intricate gears, and sharp internal corners that would be completely impossible to manufacture using traditional methods. From the tiny life-saving components inside a medical pacemaker, to the massive heat-resistant turbine blades in a commercial jet engine, Wire Cut EDM has quietly revolutionized modern manufacturing. It is a brilliant testament to engineering, proving that sometimes the most powerful way to shape the world is to simply let the sparks fly.